This is about DR. The sound made by D and R is dr. Dr is for dry, the opposite of wet. Dr is for dragon, not good for a pet. Dr is for drums, they can be very loud. Dr is for drizzle falling gently from the cloud. Dr is for drapes, they keep out the light. Dr is for dreams, you have them at night. Dr is for drink, to satisfy your thirst. Dr is for drive, you'll need a license first. This is about TR. The sound made by T and R is tr. Tr is for trash, throw it in the bin. Tr is for trophy, you get one when you win. Tr is for travel, to venture far from home. Tr is for traffic, the cars out on the road. Tr is for train, so you can get from A to B. Tr is for triple, to multiply by 3. Tr is for trailer, you attach it to a car. Tr is for tractor, you use it on a farm. And that was the tr sound.